Hi, welcome back to Evolving Male. So I just got these traction boards right here on Amazon. They were like 50 or 60 bucks, a couple traction boards, and we're gonna, they match my shirt. Look at that, they match my shirt. And we're gonna go put them on the truck real quick. So hold on a second. Okay, so I knew I was getting these, and I got them to match the orange. It's a pretty close match. Well, not really, but I think you get the point. So anyway, so what I did is I went and bought a small piece of Unistrut. I think it's the 1-inch Unistrut or 3/4 Unistrut. Got some I think they're 2 1/4 or 2 3/8 U-bolts, piece of rubber, an old production belt, and I put it in there, painted everything black. I got it nice and rigid so it's not tearing up my rack, but it was a good solution. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to bolt these right in there. So 1 second and I'll show you how it comes out. Okay, so quick follow up here what I'm doing. So I got a bolt. I'm going to put a nut, I'm going to put a washer on it right here. And I'm going to stack these on the bottom hole. If I can get this. Well, anyway, you get the point. So and then I'm going to put this in the hole right through both of them. There's one there, right through the other. So if we're looking down, it's going to come out. It's going to come out, and then I'm going to bolt it right onto that piece of Unistrut. If all goes well, it'll work out just fine. Okay, so I got them on. I put some bolts through there, and then I put a bolt through this to just secure the two of them together. I'll show you around. So I got a bolt through the Unistrut, and then a bolt just holding the two of them together right there. I need to paint them black. But first, before I do all that, I'm going to make sure that they're secure enough when I'm driving, they're not flapping. They seem pretty secure. These aren't the thickest things in the world, and to be honest, the first time I use them, I'll probably tear them up. But if they come in handy, the first time I use them and they work, then it's time to buy a better set. But for now, I think they look pretty decent. They kind of match the truck a little bit, kind of gives it a good look, and that's what I'm going for until it's time to go off-road. And I put a little tiny nick in the just a little tiny nick. This makes me want to beat someone to death, but I got it, and it was a pretty quick install. I had to use a grinder and grind off the bolts coming from the U-bolts and all that, but anyway, so I got it. Anyway, thanks for checking me out, guys. As always, please hit like and subscribe, and keep coming back to Evolving Male, where I'm growing, I'm changing, and so is the Jeep. See you guys later. Bye. Okay, so a quick follow-up, because it dawned on me that maybe not everybody knows what a traction board is. So it's kind of what it sounds like. It's a board for traction. So if you get stuck off-road because there's too much slip or muck or goo or water or whatever, if you've been off-road, you've been stuck, or you haven't really been off-road. So if you do get to that situation where you're looking for a tree or something or piece of a tree or branch or whatever to stick underneath something so you can get in or get out, or your tire's spinning and you're trying to get out, you take the board, you put it down by the tire, and you're able to get out. And that's why it's called a traction board. So anyway, see you guys later.